winter allergies and spring flower allergies, runny nose, and sneezing with acupuncture. I was very comfortable and happy after 3 acupuncture sessions without a single pill, now almost completely cured. The story is when one of my clients said that they had seasonal allergies, the symptoms of sneezing, runny nose were very uncomfortable in winter and spring because of pollen and introduced me to an acupuncturist. I asked for the doctor's address and made an appointment immediately. Now I am very happy to advise you to find an acupuncturist near where you live if you have allergies like I did. Allergic rhinitis is a common disease in many people, especially when the weather changes or when encountering irritants. The disease causes discomfort and reduces the quality of life of the patient. Finding a way to treat allergic rhinitis is the desire of any patient. Acupuncture for allergic rhinitis is considered a safe, drug-free treatment method and is used by many patients. Symptoms of allergic rhinitis. Most people with allergic rhinitis have symptoms such as continuous sneezing, runny nose, itchy nose, eyes, or other areas of the body, cough, nasal congestion, inflammation or itching of the throat, watery eyes, especially after sneezing, frequent headaches, fatigue. Causes of allergic rhinitis. Genetics, related to sensitive constitution, exposure to allergens or allergens, inhaled allergens, house dust, mites, animal hair, pollen, etc. Allergies, foods such as eggs, milk, seafood, etc., after eating. Allergies to drug ingredients, antibiotics, especially penicillin, aspirin, vaccines. Weather-related factors such as humidity, temperature, ion concentration in the atmosphere affect the disease, especially respiratory allergies. Environmental pollution factors. Sedentary lifestyle, heavy use of alcohol and tobacco. Viruses and bacteria cause mucosal edema. The ciliary system is weakened due to inflammation, increasing the response to allergens, reducing the protective ability of the mucosa. Mechanism of acupuncture to treat allergic rhinitis. Acupuncture is related to the inflammatory response of the nerves, through the activation of leukocytes and vascular leakage into the plasma. Acupuncture has the effect of stimulating sensory nerves, regulating nerve-mediated airway constriction, reducing vascular permeability in the nasal mucosa. Acupuncture is thought to be related to a significant decrease in neuropeptides such as substance P, neurokinin A, and calcitonin-related peptide in the nasal mucosa. Acupuncture promotes secretion and blood circulation by stimulating the nervous system at acupoints. Effects of acupuncture in treating allergic rhinitis. Gradually improve the typical unpleasant symptoms of allergic rhinitis, especially nasal congestion, sneezing, etc. Enhance the body's immune system, thereby helping to protect the body from severe and unpleasant symptoms of allergies. Help the body release large amounts of ACTH serum with the function of regulating cortisol, helping to reduce or prevent infections. Thus, the symptoms of rhinitis are also reduced. Acupuncture helps improve the function of the nose, muscles, and internal organs. We hope you will quickly get rid of this discomfort.